Today we will see how to plot double y-axis graph, and this is the data we are going to use. So this is the data on heavy metal removal by bacteria at different time interval, and at different time interval growth of the bacteria was also recorded. So this is the time in hour, this is metal removal in ppm, this is the standard error of the metal removal, and this is the optical density at 660 nanometer, and this is a standard error of the optical density. The experiment is conducted in triplicate, and from that standard error was determined. So we plot the double y-axis graph um, in origin. So we will select this whole data and copy it and paste it to the first cell of the book sheet. This is your data, and now we will give the detail of the data. So this is the time in hours. So this is for the unit. Okay, and this is the heavy metal removal. You can give whatever information as per your data. The unit for this is in ppm. Then this is standard error, so we will not give any information about this column here. This is the optical density at 660 nanometer, and there's no unit. Again, this is the standard error of the optical density, so we will not give any information about this column. But this here it is showing that it is y-axis, so we need to set the value of this column as a y error. So for this we will go to column, we will click on this and go to set as. Here we will select y error. Okay, so here now it's showing c y error plus minus. So here it is denoted as a standard error of this preceding y uh, axis data, and again for similarly for this uh, standard error of the optical density, we will set this as a uh, standard error value. For this we will go to the column, go to click on the set as, and we will select the y error. We'll click here, so it will be selected. Now we will select the whole data, and to plot the double y axis plot, we will click here. So it's showing that 2y, that is y data. You can plot using this icon. You select this and you click on this. So the data is plotted, and you can now change the value. You can change the uh, label, you can change the timing as per the requirement.